Ever find yourself working hard but not seeing the results you hoped for? There's a Chinese idiom that can help. 事半功倍. It means half the effort, double the results. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Imagine you're washing dishes one by one without organizing them first. It's slow and inefficient. But if you organize the dishes into groups and use a dishwasher, you finish much quicker and with less effort. That's 事半功倍 in action. Or think about cleaning your entire house by randomly moving from one task to another. It takes forever. But if you create a checklist and follow a systematic approach, you'll get the job done much faster and more effectively. So next time you face a big task, remember, it's not just about how hard you work, but how smart you work. This is what Simpleology calls high me, high impact minimum effort. Embrace 事半功倍 and see the results for yourself. And check our resource box for more high me tips. Subscribe for more tips.